Welcome to the Explainer. Look, if the mere thought of applying for health insurance makes you want to pull your hair out, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're taking a notoriously complicated process and making it incredibly straightforward. By the end of this, you'll have a clear, simplified path to securing your health coverage through Kentucky's state-based marketplace. To really kick things off, consider this massive statistic. Did you know that right now, roughly 1.5 million Kentuckians are enrolled in Medicaid? That is a huge portion of the state. The point is, health coverage in Kentucky isn't some exclusive club. It's highly accessible, and you can absolutely navigate this system to get the care you need.
And there's a very clear mission driving all of that accessibility. Following the 2020 relaunch of the platform, Governor Beshear noted that healthcare is a basic human right. He emphasized that every single Kentucky family deserves to see a doctor and get treatment when they're sick. The whole system we're looking at today was designed with this exact goal in mind, removing those unnecessary hurdles.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. 1. What is Kynect? 2. Gathering your documents. 3. A step-by-step application guide. 4. Understanding your coverage options. And 5. Important deadlines and support.
Section 1. What is Kynect? The front door to coverage.
Before we go any further, we really need to clear up a super common misconception. A lot of people think Kynect is the health insurance plan. It's not. You don't go out and buy a Kynect policy. Instead, think of Kynect as the front door to your coverage. It's this clever digital gateway where you submit one single application. And then the system automatically does the heavy lifting to figure out exactly which programs you and your family qualify for, like Medicaid or a private plan.
Section 2. Gathering your documents, the PrEP checklist.
Okay, the absolute secret to a stress-free application is just getting organized beforehand. Here's your PrEP checklist. You're going to need social security numbers or legal immigration documents for everyone in your household. You'll also need proof of income. We're talking recent pay stubs, W-2s, or those tax returns you've got filed away. If you already have some kind of current insurance, grab those details too, along with info on any major life changes like getting married or having a new baby. Why are we so focused on this? Because your household size and your income literally drive the entire process. Having these exact numbers ready will save you so much time.
Section 3. Step-by-step application guide, navigating the portal.
Let's take the mystery out of the computer screens. From a bird's eye view, the whole journey is just 4 logical steps. First, you create an account. Second, you input all that household and income info we just gathered. Third, you pre-screen to see what you might qualify for. And finally, you compare options and select a plan. Simple, right?
Now, this perfectly illustrates what you'll see first. Step 1 is creating your account on the Kentucky Online Gateway, or KOG for short. Think of this as your secure digital identity for accessing state services. You literally just need a valid email address to set it up. Once you're in, you can link it directly to the Kynect Benefits portal.
Once you're inside Kynect Benefits, I want you to notice that prominent pre-screening tool button. This is an absolutely fantastic feature. Before you even commit to filling out the full detailed application, you can just pop in your household size and estimated income to get a sneak peek at your potential eligibility and what your monthly costs might be. It completely takes the guesswork out of the whole thing.
Section 4. Understanding your coverage options, decoding the destinations.
So once you pass through that front door, you really need to understand where you've landed. And honestly, the insurance jargon can get a bit thick here. The first term you need to know is QHP, which stands for Qualified Health Plan. Basically, if your income is above the Medicaid limit, Kynect will route you here. A QHP is just a private insurance plan from companies you know, like Anthem or Ambetter, that's certified to provide essential health benefits. And here's the best part. If you land in a QHP, you might qualify for an advanced premium tax credit. That's financial assistance that directly lowers your monthly premium, making private insurance way more affordable. Next up is K-CHIP, the Kentucky Children's Health Insurance Program. This provides free or low-cost comprehensive coverage for children under 19. And yes, that includes dental and vision. Here is a surprising fact that a lot of folks don't realize. Your kids might actually be eligible for this fantastic coverage even if you, as the parent, have insurance somewhere else, like through your job. The income limits for kids are just generally higher than for adults.
So what does this all mean for families? Let's talk about what we call mixed households. Say you have a family of 4. Mom and dad might make a little too much for Medicaid, so the Kynect system routes them to a qualified health plan, maybe with a subsidy to help out. But based on those exact same income numbers, the system recognizes that the kids actually qualify for free coverage under KCIP.
Kynect seamlessly splits the household members into the absolute best, most cost-effective programs for them, all from that one single application. It's like a giant puzzle that solves itself.
Section 5. Important deadlines and support. When and how to get help.
Timing is everything here. For individual private plans, open enrollment usually kicks off on November 1st and runs through mid-January. But I really want you to mentally circle December 15th on your calendar. If you apply and pick a plan by December 15th, your health coverage starts right on January 1st. It is the perfect way to ring in the new year with total peace of mind. But hey, what if you missed that winter window? Don't panic. If you experience what they call a qualifying life event, like getting married, having a baby, or losing your job-based insurance, a brand new 60-day door opens for you, called a special enrollment period. Plus, if your income qualifies you for Medicaid or your kids for K-CHIP, those programs literally never close. Enrollment is open 365 days a year, for sure. And please, hear me on this. You never have to do this alone. Free, certified help is stationed right in your local community. Connectors are specially trained experts who can hold your hand through the entire digital application and explain all your subsidy results. Or you can use licensed insurance agents who can not only help you apply, but actually legally recommend which specific private plan is best for your personal health needs. Both of these resources are completely 100% free to use.
Well, we've covered a ton of ground today, from gathering those W-2s to navigating the portal and finally decoding what a QHP is. So I gotta ask, are you ready to step through that front door and take control of your family's health security? The tools are literally right there, waiting for you.
Take that first step today. You can apply directly online at kynect.ky.gov. Or if you're someone who prefers to just speak to a human being, give them a call at 1-855-459-6328. Now, as a quick professional reminder, while this explainer is designed to get you a huge head start, you should always consult official Kentucky Health Benefit Exchange representatives or certified agents for personalized advice that fits your unique situation. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and here's to a healthier you.